Are you using AI tools to streamline your marketing content creation process? Well, what kind of results are you getting? Have you found that AI is giving you some really solid first drafts? Or are you wasting a lot of time and energy editing and rewriting the content that's created? Holly Fisher here with Fisher Creative Marketing. Thanks for joining me for this episode of Monday Marketing Minute. I want to share with you a way that you can get better AI results for your marketing content. The secret is training AI on your specific brand in your business. It's just like having a new employee come into the office. You wouldn't give them one sentence of instruction and then expect stellar results. They need training, they need documents, they need feedback, and they really need to understand your business and your brand if you want to get the kind of results that you want. And your AI assistant is exactly the same. So, for example, I use ChatGPT, but this is going to apply to any of the AI tools that you might be using. You are able to upload a lot of documents and a lot of information to AI so you can really learn more about your business and start to write and create content the way that you want, in a way that sounds authentic and feels like your brand. So what are some of the things that you need to give AI? Well, first, you need to make sure that you have a really solid brand message, that you know how to talk about your business so that you can train AI on how to talk about your business. You want to make sure that you really understand your target audience and your clients. What are the problems that they're facing? How are you stepping in with a solution? How are you making their life or business better? These are all the kinds of things that you need to have an answer to so that you can tell AI. If you're not clear on these things, AI is certainly not going to be able to figure it out for you. So building a lot of these foundational documents, even training it on brand voice, giving it instructions on how you write. Do you have a more casual and informal kind of playful tone? Are you more serious? Do you write with short sentence, longer sentences? What's the cadence and structure? Giving it samples of your writing, blog posts or emails, things that you've written in the past. So again, AI really starts to understand more about you and your business. Are there specific keywords you want AI to use? Are there particular kinds of content that you want it to create? So all the things that we need to build so that we can really train AI on your specific brand and your business. That's going to allow you to get really great results. You can upload all of these documents once they're created. So there's some front loading time here. You're spending some time developing all of these at the beginning, but it's going to save you time in the long run. You're not going to have to do quite as much rewriting and editing with the drafts that you receive from AI. So again, we want to think about building out all of these foundational materials and all of the things that you're going to need to upload to AI. Then as you start using it, you can continue to give it feedback, direction, refine, add additional documentation, and really start to get it to a point where it begins to sound more like your brand and your business. Then you get a really great first draft that's maybe 80 to 85% of what you need. And then you can spend just a little bit of time adding some of your own personal stories to that, maybe editing, making a few tweaks, and then you're ready to go. So that's going to be a huge time saver on the end if you invest the time and the energy up front to build out sort of an AI, what I like to call my AI ready marketing kit, so that you can upload all of these documents and you're really ready to go. So if you're curious about all of the things that you might want to give AI, I've actually created a free resource, a really great checklist for you. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video so that you can grab that free checklist and really start working through the documents that you need to train AI so that you're getting better results for your marketing content. I'd love to hear more about how you're using AI in marketing, how you're using it to create content. Leave a comment below. And thanks so much for joining me for this episode of Monday Marketing Minute. I look forward to sharing even more ways that I can help you fuel your marketing.